Hello, my name is Vint Cerf. I'm Google's chief internet evangelist. Some of you might know me as one of the fathers of the internet. It's a great honor to be recognized by the AI World Society and certainly by Governor Dukakis, and I'm very sorry that I can't be there in person. But I will say that this focus of attention on artificial intelligence and the role that it might play in present and in our future is timely and important. In fact, I would go so far as to suggest that we should be equally concerned in general about any kind of software, especially if it's in some kind of a device that has the ability to communicate on the internet. And the reason for that, quite frankly, is that once those devices are online, they're potentially reachable by anyone anywhere on the internet. And that raises all kinds of potential security hazards. So the attack surface, if I can use that term, is quite broad when any device is attached to the global internet. So we should be very concerned not only about artificial intelligence, but about software in general, especially software that has bugs. And unfortunately, we're at the stage now, 80 years into programming computers, where we haven't figured out how to write software that doesn't have bugs. The consequence of that, of course, is that if those bugs are discovered, they may be exploited by people with malicious intent, and there can be all kinds of side effects. So in some respects, I think we should be as concerned about software and its bugs as we should be about artificial intelligence and our uncertainty about how some of it works, in particular machine learning systems where the multi-layer neural networks are programmed by running them through a whole series of examples, whether it's images or sound or text or something else, out of which we arrange this multi-layer neural network weights and produce certain behaviors which appear to do what we want it to do, but might have internal biases that we didn't recognize, or might break in ways that we can't anticipate. A small change in an incoming image might cause a completely wrong decision or recognition to be made by the artificially intelligent machine learning system. So I think we are well advised to stay focused on artificial intelligence, machine learning, bugs in software, how we use these things, how much autonomy we offer to devices that are running this kind of software, especially if it's going to make decisions that we don't have any role to play in. Even your refrigerator could be abused by running software in the device in the operating system or in the computer in such a way that you don't notice that there's anything wrong. The ice cream stays cold, your milk stays cold. But this device, which is on the network, is also being used as part of a botnet. It's generating spam. It's distributing malware. It could be a variety of things. And we wouldn't notice because it's doing its other functions correctly as well. This leads to a very general concern about understanding about the safety, the security, the integrity of software that we use in communicating devices. So I'm hoping to have an opportunity to participate in 2020. I apologize for my inability to do so this year, but I do appreciate recognition of the importance of this topic, and I hope that during the 2019 conference that you'll come up with some good ideas for paths to follow to create a more safe, more stable, and secure environment. So thanks again very much for this recognition. I look forward to seeing you on the net.